Hello, today we are making the Midwest Ooey Gooey cake. We will need 1 block of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 stick of butter slightly melted, 1 box of yellow cake mix, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 4 eggs. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with our cream mixture. We're going to beat this until it's smooth, and then we're going to add 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla, and then gradually add our powdered sugar. Looks smooth enough to me. Now our 2 eggs. And our teaspoon of vanilla. I think I forgot to add my vanilla here. I'm going to be using Lodge's 9 by 13 inch casserole pan. We are going to need to heavily butter this and line it with a bit of sugar so it crystallizes and we can get the cake out of the pan. But you're welcome to use glass. We need to heavily butter this so it doesn't stick. Now we're going to lightly sprinkle on some regular sugar so it crystallizes with the butter. And we can get this out of here. At least I hope we can get this out of here. Now we pour in our batter. That was very hard to do. I kind of think I should have added some liquid to this, but hopefully it's going to be all right. Now it's time to add our top layer. All right, that's looking pretty good. This goes in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. 40 minutes is when we're gonna check it and see how the center is. We want it to be gooey, but not cooked all the way through. It's gonna have to be kind of jelly, which isn't a very good explanation, but hopefully we'll get it right. It has now been 40 minutes, and we're going to see how it looks. Honestly, I think it looks done. It has a nice crust on top. It's supposed to be jiggly like Jell-O, but it's maybe even overdone. The cast iron might have just been a little too much for it. We're gonna take it out now and let it cool. All right, our cake has been out of the oven for about an hour now, and it's about time to cut it. I did overcook it just a little bit, but it still feels fairly gooey. First piece is always hardest to get out. Oh man. It's really in there. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Still fairly gooey. I definitely overcooked it. Didn't burn it though. It's fairly nice on the bottom. You see we got a nice crust on the bottom too. It's not just the top that has a nice crust. It's looking pretty nice. We got a nice crust on the side. It's definitely buttery. It's a good butter cake and it's got nice moisture. We didn't keep it gooey, which is unfortunate, but it's still really good. I'm gonna have to take about 5 minutes off next time I try to cook it in that cast iron pan, but 40 minutes will probably be about right in glass. I would definitely recommend making this for a holiday party or any other family gathering you might have. It's definitely good, and I'll definitely be making it again, trying to get it right this time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching.